Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create the Aurora effect in iClone 7. So now I already opened the iClone 7. I can just click Contents, and remember it's under this one. Then click the template. You should be able to see all this. You have props, you have particles, so click the particle. After you click the particle, then you have a folder here that's called Legacy. Under the Legacy folder, you have the environment. Click the environment, then you should be able to see an Aurora here. You just need to drag into iClone. Once you click play, you can see some Aurora effect there, and we need to be able to customize it. Click the scenes and click this one. The Aurora is under particle, you make it visible, and the Aurora should be appear at here. If you want to adjust the location, you can just click W, press W and make it far away and lift it up to certain level. Next, you try to play again and look at the effect. It should be near the sky, somewhere there. And that is the Aurora effect. Of course, you can create more just by pressing W and hold the control. Then you can duplicate more and more. You can rotate it as well. Now, when I try to click play again, now I have double Aurora. And remember, when you want to render your 3D animation, you need to just hide everything so that you don't see the blue box there. And you can try to play again. The Aurora is at the sky. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these video tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developer, you can subscribe to these YouTube channels and remember to turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you'll receive the notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy and happy animation.